Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can make the plug for a single phase installation for Induction Electrolux. So, let's start from the middle socket. So this, sorry about the focus, this is a ground wire. If you don't have this connection in your installation, just isolate and skip this wire. On the right side we have it together, the gray one, and the blue one, this is a neutral. And on the left side we have a together wire at the brown and the black wire, and this is how it looks. On the left side we have the phase, on the right side we have a neutral, on the middle socket we have the ground wire. So we can now close the plug and check how it works. And as you can see, it's worked well. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.